Hi, my name is Mohammed Jallo, and this is my final project for CS400, Fundamentals of Game Engine Design. For my project, I just created a small one-on-one soccer game in which players will knock the ball into the opposite side's goal in order to score a point, and the first to 10 points wins. So to create the field, I just changed the dimensions of a bunch of shiny red plastic cubes and added physics to them. Then I spawned in these two garbage cans for the player models, added physics to those, and then got a soccer ball model off of the internet, added physics to that, and used that as my ball. And I have this GUI here to show the score, explain the controls. So WASD controls player 1 and arrow keys control player 2. And to reset the position, you press R, and to reset the game fully, the score and the positions, you press enter. So to demonstrate, if I knock the ball into this goal here, it will give player 1 a point. And if I knock the ball into this goal over here, it'll give player 2 a point. And just because it's not that easy to score a goal, I added forces to the ball on button press just to demonstrate what happens when a player is the first to reach 10 points. So as soon as player 2 hits 10 points, the game recognizes that player 2 wins, and you can press enter to reset the game. And let's say the ball gets into a position where you can't get it out, like a corner. You can just press R, and the positions will reset, but not the score. So as you can see here, I scored with player 2, and I move the ball, don't like where it is, just press R, everything's reset except for the score. And that's about it for the demonstration. As for the implementation, you can see here where I used all these shiny red plastic cubes and changed their dimensions and then added physics to them. You can see where I grabbed the models and then added physics to those as well. And for the physics loop, it's basically just the same as in the physics assignment. And for the score, I pass the score variables to the GUI here in the update world. And you can see my implementation for this GUI. It's pretty simple. It's got the title, and based on the scores, it displays who wins, and otherwise it just shows the score live. And for the button presses, the way I implemented the movement is by just adding a force in a certain direction based on what key is pressed. And these are the key presses for moving the ball itself. These will not be in the actual game. That was just for the purpose of demonstrating what happens when a player hits 10 points. But you can see here the implementations for the key presses. And that's it for the implementation. And that's my final project. Thank you for watching.